Welcome to Forward 50. This conference is about how to use technology to make society better for everyone.
Someone said to me at the beginning of this pandemic, no innovation happens online like this. It only happens in rooms. Well, watch us go.
But its core, equity means centering those communities, not excluding others. First and foremost, designing for the hardest to reach and most in need.
Designing for the furthest first. And that can often mean the people who are explicitly not using technology.
The competition for talent is going to be fierce.
Digital government is about the people we serve. It's not really just about the technology at all. Working for the people we serve means engaging with them across Canada, learning about their needs and experiences, and meeting them where they're at.
Rather than asking for trust, we need to start being trustworthy.
Digital revolution is transforming the systems that influence our lives and behaviors.